All right, more definite integral substitution problems. All right, now look here, right? See that x squared plus 9? The derivative of x squared plus 9 is 2x. And we see almost a 2x there. We just have an x. So that tells me I want to make u into x squared plus 9. Then du is 2x dx. dx is du over 2x, and I'm going to evaluate the bounds. So we've got u of 4. Let's see, that's going to be 4 squared plus 9. Let's see, that's 16 plus 9 is 25. And u of 0, 0 squared plus 9 is 9. And so then we have x root u du over 2x. We're going from 9 to 25. The x's will cancel. I'll pull this 1/2 out. And rewrite root u as u to the 1/2. Setting up to use the power rule. Let's see, u to the 1/2 antiderivative, and we add 1, divide by whatever you get. So 1/2 plus 1 is 3/2. So you have u to the 3/2, and you're going to divide by whatever you get, which is 3/2. So something over 3/2 is the same as multiplying by 2/3. Right, remember that 1 over 3/2 is equal to 2/3. So this is times 2/3. Oops, that's right. We're not doing that, are we? We're doing the (9 to 25). Let's see. Okay, let's see. And to check my work, I can take the derivative of what I have here. Right, let me just rewrite this now. I'll write this as 1/3 u to the 3/2 from 9 to 25. If you think about taking the derivative there, you bring down the 3/2. The 3's would cancel. You'd get you get a 1/2. Let's see, just like that. 3/2 minus 1 is 1/2. So we would in fact get that back. All right. And so now I'll evaluate this thing. Now remember, I like to pull these things out like that. So I'm going to write this as 1/3 u to the 3/2, 9 and 25. This is equal to 1/3 25 to the 3/2 minus 9 to the 3/2. We'll figure out what these guys are here. All right, so let's figure out what 25 to the 3/2 is. Now when I often forget, what does that thing look like again? So the way I remember it is I just think, okay, remember that root x is equal to x to the 1/2. And when you write root x, we're leaving out, there's actually a 2 there. Similarly, you might have a cube root of x is x to the 1/3, right? Something like that. So I kind of use this as my model here. I use these ideas as my model, right? Where does the, so this thing in the bottom goes right there, right? That 2 goes right there, right? So this would be the square root, and then that 1 goes right there, right? That 1 goes right there. So I just think of this as, this is going to be the square root of 25 cubed. Now, in this instance here, you can write this as the square root of 25, 25 whole thing cubed. All right, and so then the square root of 25 is 5. We have 5 cubed. So 5 cubed. And then you see what's going to happen there, right? Square root of 9 is 3, so that's 3 cubed. And then we can figure it out from there. I think, let's see, that's 125 and 27. So what is that, 98 or something? 98 over 3? Probably something like that. All right, but I think we're good to there. All right.